Hi, in this I will discuss first problem of basic joints from our SQL 50 series from LeetCode. What is the problem? Problem is that replace employee ID with the unique identifier. Okay, so there is a SQL schema. Table name is employees, and what the column? Column names are ID and name. ID is integer type and name is varchar. ID is the primary key for this table. Okay, each row of this table contain the ID and the name of an employee in a company. Okay, and there is another table, employee uni. Here is how the columns are unique ID and ID. Both are integer type. Here actually the pair ID and unique ID is the primary key. Combination of the columns with unique values for this table. Okay. Each row of this table contains the ID and the corresponding unique ID of the of an employee in the company. Write a solution to show the unique ID of each user. If a user does not have a unique ID, replace just show null. Okay. Return the result of a table in any order. Okay. So we'll given two table, right? Table 1 will have ID and name, right? And table 2 have what? ID and unique ID, right? Now they want to know the unique ID of each user. Unique ID of each user, right? So first of all, you can actually check, see the observation that unique ID is present in the table 2 and name is present is table 1 and table 1, right? So somehow I have to join these two tables, right? But what condition will be the join and what is the output? I have to print the table 2 dot unique ID and table 1 of name. This what I have to print, right? And so I have to join. On what basis actually I have to join? Like here actually name, ID and this ID both should be same. This should actually are joined, right? And here they have mentioned that if some user does not have any unique ID, replace just so null. So I have to print like all the name of user. Like it maybe they will have a unique ID or may not be. Okay, but I have to print all the name of the user ID, right? So first of all, I have to uh, select all the username name. So, and on what condition I have to check? I have an unique ID is depend. It will be present or not. Depend on the if it is present on the second table means the unique table employee unique table. Okay. So what actually I have to print? I have to print select table 2 dot unique ID and table 1 dot name from table 1 left join table 2 on what basis, like table 1 dot id should be equal to table 2 dot id. Got it? In left, what does actually left join do? Left join does what? Like left join will select, like if there are two table, suppose a and b, I will select all the columns from all the rows from table 1 and table a, and if it is matched with something, some row with the b, that will be selected in the result, right? Left join does this, right? So actually what we want is that in left join, what actually I know, I have to print all the name of the user, and unique ID may be null or may be present in the table 2, table b. So that's why in left table is present at table 1, it will be the employee table, and right table is table 2, this is the employee unit table, and if it is table 1 dot id and should be the table 2 dot id, this will actually selected from the right table. Got it? So for this example, like there is ID name and there is ID unique ID. So I want to select the unique ID and name, right? This is for table 2 and this is from table 1. So I want to, here actually you can check Elias and Bob, there is no unique ID. So I want to select all the name of the table 1. So that's why left join will help us here, that left join of, like left join will be table 1 and the right table will be T2. T2 means here employee unique. Got it? So go to the code actually. Actually you can check, like select employee, from employee unique table I have to print unique ID, and from employees table I have to print the name, right? So how actually I have to join, like from employees table left join I will do left employee unique. Here actually what it will do, the select all the name, and if it is present the data employee unique ID, so it will also insert, otherwise it will be null. On what is the condition, employee ID is equal to employee unique dot ID. Got it? You got to understood the logic of what is the left join and how it is actually do and how it actually help us in this problem. Got it, right? Thank you.